Hey there friends, on today's quick tech tutorial video, we're looking in Google Chrome and I'm going to show you how you can set things up so that you never accidentally close all of your open tabs at once again. It's super easy, let's do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, we actually in the settings have this option where we can click continue where you're left off. And this will make sure in the event you accidentally close down Chrome, when you reopen it, all of the tabs you were used to working in or you just had been working in will then reappear. So let's go ahead and walk through this process. So what we're going to do is come up here to these little three dots that are over in the right-hand side of your browser. We're going to click on that and we're going to come down here to settings. Okay, once we're in settings, we can come over here on the left and we're looking for on startup, this little menu option. Let me click on this. And as you can see, we have a number of different options in regards to our tabs. So you can open a new tab page, meaning every time you open things up, it's just going to open a blank canvas for you. We can click continue where you left off, and this will mean that all the tabs that were open when you close things down will then reopen for you. Or we can actually click open a specific page or set of pages. And in this case, we actually have to add a bunch of pages by clicking this add new page. And then we can actually type these in and click the add button. You can also use the current page that you may be looking at. In this case, it's our home page, but if we had a bunch of other different menus or tabs that are opened up, we could actually click use the current pages. And then it would actually, you can see if we click on that, it opens up what currently is open. We have some additional options over here that we can either edit or remove these specific ones, and then those specific pages will show up. That's it, friends. Hope that helps. If it has, please click that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making helpful videos for you. And stay tuned, we're making a ton more of these Google Chrome videos. Those will be released really, really soon. Thanks for watching.